our LPV platform, lipid particle vaccines. It's a proprietary formulation of the lipids which allows us to entrap within the lipid antigens and or adjuvants to protect it from moisture ingress. Now, moisture ingress is one of the major reasons that vaccines degrade through temperature fluctuations. 99% of all vaccines have to be stored between 0 degrees C and 4 degrees C. And the main reason for the degradation of vaccines outside of 0 to 4 is that moisture gets into the protein. And just like cracks in the road with ice, moisture gets in, it expands, contracts, and that literally breaks apart the protein. By protecting them in this lipid, that allows us to formulate vaccines to address one of the holy grails of vaccinology, which is to take vaccines out the cold chain. Now, taking vaccines out of the cold chain has tremendous opportunities for increasing the protection affordable by vaccines. We proved that we can protect vaccines from minus 20 degrees C to plus 40 degrees C through multiple freeze-thaw cycles. So this really does allow for a vaccine to be, say, manufactured in New Jersey, transported via the docks in LA, and then get shipped to, say, mainland China or northern Russia. So think about that opportunity. Even in the 7 major markets, 12% of all vaccines have to be destroyed because they either get below 4 degrees or above 4 degrees. So the opportunity to take vaccines out of the cold chain is a vision shared by all vaccinologists around the world, not only in the emerging markets, but also those people that supply the major markets. We have announced already broad research collaborations with both GlaxoSmithKline and Sanofi Pasteur. This is applying our formulation development platform to their pipeline candidates to confer thermostability on the next generation of candidates. Clearly, working with GlaxoSmithKline and Sanofi Pasteur is a major accreditation, support, validation of the scientific approach. So I think we're beginning to see the reality now that in 20, 25, 30 years, who knows, we will see vaccines which currently have to be stored in refrigerators, both in transit, in doctors' offices, in nurses' offices, in the field. When they're taken out and given to people, in remote parts of Africa, they have to be taken in igloo boxes. We really can see the day when vaccines can be transported just as you transport a pen or a pencil.